Hello, I'm Luana from help2type. In this tutorial, I will show you how to choose your language. Press the keys Command, Function, and the corresponding number of your language at the same time on your keyboard. The options are 0 for Italian, 1 for English, 2 for Spanish, 3 for French, 4 for German, 8 for Swiss German, and 9 for Czech. The keyboard will remember your choice the next time you use it. For the languages to work properly, select the desired language in the keyboard sections of the settings on your Android or iOS device. If you use multiple languages, you can also enable this option. For example, if you want to type in English, make sure English is selected at the bottom of your keyboard on your smartphone. I wish you a lot of joy with your keyboard and the new features.